Hello, I'm Dave Stauffacher, Chief Platform Engineer with Direct Supply in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I'm also an AWS hero. Today, I'd like to talk to you about my experience and give you some of my tips and tricks for earning the recently announced AWS Storage digital learning badges. Now, these exams or assessments and the associated badges are perfect whether you're new to AWS and AWS building, whether you are a storage professional looking to grow your cloud experience, or if you're like me, a seasoned cloud builder looking to validate the skill set. There are 5 storage learning badges in total. The first 3 are for object storage, block storage, and file storage. And once those 3 assessments have been completed, that rolls up into the Storage Core Learning Badge. Now, the Storage Core Learning Badge, plus 2 more exams focusing on data protection, disaster recovery, and data migration, will earn the Storage Technologist Learning Badge. Earning the badges is very simple. You start by going to skillbuilder.aws and registering for a free account. From there, you can search for the storage learning plans and enroll in those learning plans. You can choose to go through the learning plans in detail or skip right to the assessment. If you earn an 80% or higher score on the assessment, the badge is yours. The badges are issued digitally through Credly, so I'd recommend setting up a Credly account as well so that your badges can be easily issued and you can claim them right away. After they were announced at AWS Storage Day 2 weeks ago, I went out and earned the first 3 learning badges for block storage, object storage, and file storage. And a few tips that I'd like to share with you are first, to start with the things that you know the most, the areas that you have the most experience in, and then work your way on to the more difficult subjects. It helps build confidence. It helps really affirm what you already know. And it gives you a chance to get a feel for how the exams flow before you get into subject matters that might be a little more challenging for you. Second, the learning plan is your guide to the assessment, but don't feel that you have to use every single lesson in the learning plan. For me, file storage was the absolute best area, most skill that I had. And so I used the learning guide as really a way to fill in around the edges with the gaps that I knew I had in my knowledge going into the assessment. Also, I am very much a hands-on learner. And so I found it was helpful for me, especially with the areas that I wasn't familiar with, to go into my AWS account and play around in the console and test out some of the different storage technologies and get a feel for their configuration and how they're used. The third tip is the assessment is not a one and done situation. You can take the assessment multiple times, once every 24 hours. And as long as you score an 80% or higher, you've passed. So if you try an assessment and you don't do so well, you can retake that assessment. And the assessments give you results that help you understand where you need to brush up and where your knowledge gaps are so that you can do better the next time you take the exam. Once you've earned your learning badges, they'll be issued to you through an email. Clicking the link in that email will take you into your Credly account where you can accept the badge that you've earned. Now from there, Credly makes it really easy to share your badges with your LinkedIn profile, with Twitter, and with Facebook. They even give you a chance to add a personalized message to share your success with your peers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Good luck starting your learning program and in taking your storage assessments. And I hope to see you at an upcoming AWS event. I know I'll be at reInvent this fall, and I hope to see you there.